of stuck here. The cops won't bother me. We have our cylinder, and I just got some keys. I took this to a keysmith in Gaithersburg, Maryland. You can see they actually kind of popped this top part, and they did their whatever keysmiths do, and I got 2 keys. Making keys like this by taking in the ignition cost $85, but at least now with this, we'll be able to start the bike, hopefully. Now let's put the key in, and we got lights. Hit the starter, and it cranks. Pull the choke back. Very good news, guys. So we got the bike to crank. Turns out the reason this thing didn't start was because the main fuse was blown. Ignition on it, and it works. I'm going to be putting it back. You know, one of the things that happened, I think, initially with this rider is that he was riding. He had a new battery installed, so, you know, now it went dead. But the bike was working fine. And the only thing that really happened, and the reason for him to store it, was this fuse. The main fuse had blown out, I think, because it was the only thing that was really messed up. So now it won't start. It'll crank, but it won't start. And I think the reason is it's just not getting fuel. So my next thing is to remove the airbox, and then I'm going to clean it all out. And then I'm going to remove the carburetors, and the carburetors are going to be a little bit harder.